Okay, hello again. 3. Okay. Something wrong with the internet. And just now let us start. Are you ready for our science? We are now in our science and I prepared this one for you. Okay, 3. For today. Okay, I will share this one to you. You will not write yet anything.
มาของเธอนี่ของยายเล่าให้ยายก่อนเนี่ยเล่าให้ยายหน่อยดิ
เล่าเลยหนูจะปิดหูเพราะว่ามันเสียงวี
Okay, let us start now. Just a minute. Okay, for today, for our science for today, I will not let you write anything. I just want you to understand this first. I want you to listen and to understand our topic. For the next week, we have to discuss about this one. So I will start sharing this time. So you can already understand this topic, okay? When I show your worksheet, you understand. First, I want you to listen this time. All I want from you this time is to listen. Okay? For this time, just listen and you have to understand this one, okay?
ไม่ต้องเขียน
So no book yet. You will not no book and no worksheet, okay? Just listen to this one first. So our topic for today is living and non-living things, okay? You know already living and non-living things? You know living and non-living things? You have any idea already, right? You have any idea about living and non-living things? So I will give this is our topic for today, okay? Okay, now let's start. Okay, living and non-living things. Okay, listen to this one first. This video can help us understand what is living and non-living
Appu
things.
has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
Okay, look at this one first. Let's understand what is living and non-living things.
Living things grow, living things breathe, living things reproduce, and living things eat. Living things have their very habitats. Living things, when they die a death, there are some of the things that make a living thing. You and me and the cat and the mouse, trees in our world and the worms underground, all need air and all need food. Beings like their own, they reproduce. They have their own special homes, all die when they live for long. These are some of the things that make a living thing.
อะไรตายไปแล้วไม่มีชีวิตทั้งนั้นแหละ
You heard me right?
Non-living things stay the same size. They don't grow and they don't die. They don't need air to breathe, and they don't need food to eat. They don't reproduce. Beings like their own, they don't need a place that they can call home. These are some.
Something. Just a minute. The internet is getting slow.
เส้นตายไปลอยกระทงที่ไหนที่บ้านแหละ
Non-living things.
ลอยกระทงอ่ะ
Okay, you like it? Okay, again, let us. Okay, let us continue now.
จบแล้วอ่ะจบเร็วอ่ะ
ให้เดี๋ยวให้เดี๋ยว
เพราะว่าเน็ตหลุดแน่นอน
เขาก็เที่ยวเอง
Okay, just a minute. Share. Oh, again.
เอากันเดี๋ยวจะล่วงตับลงมาแล้วก็กดกัน
แค่หนูเอาอันนี้วางไว้แล้วทำไมถึงไม่ทำอันนี้
Okay, just a minute.
เด้งหมดยังคือหมดแล้วไม่เตรียม
มาเตรียมมา
Okay, just a minute. Sorry.
เรียนเต็มหนูไม่อยากใส่อันนี้แล้วอ่ะให้มามาวางไหนนี่
Okay. Something wrong.
พวกมีเสียงมันอยู่เล็ก
Something wrong. Just a minute, I.
ไอ้บอลสนใจพูดอะไรเดี๋ยวไม่รู้เรื่อง
ๆให้แม่รู้ด้วยใบบัว
ก็ให้ย่าก็บอกว่าสนใจเหมือน
ไม่มือเย็นอ่ะเช้าเวลาเย็น
Okay, just
ไม่มีชาตลอด
ครูผู้หญิงใช่ไหม
โอ้ยจัดแก้มเรียนจะได้ที่ยังได้พูดได้
I cannot go back. Sorry. Share.
ตรงนี้
What happened?
น้ำปะกินน้ำปะ
Goodness. Just a minute. Sorry.
Oh, please stop.
Stop. Stop it.
Stop it. Putting the door. Rolling stop.
Okay.
Stop.
That's it. Okay.
มีจะเรียนได้เลยนะฟังอะไรฟัง
Okay, just a minute.
How we stop? How we stop? How we stop?
Stop. Oh God.
มีมือด้วยสมัย
Okay.
How we
Work now. Okay, let's learn about the difference between living and non-living things. Okay. Look at this one here. Let's learn the difference between living and non-living things.
เพื่อนเห็นสนใจไปบัว
Sorry about this one. Okay, now let's continue. Let's learn the difference between living and non-living things. Okay.
ต่อมาก็เดี๋ยวน้องเรียนสายตัว
Okay, living things have life, are living things, okay? Living things have life, are living things, okay? Living things can move, can grow, needs food and water, can breathe, and also can reproduce, okay? This is living things, okay? Living things, again, Living things have life. Are living things. Can move, can grow, eat food, and water, can breathe, and can reproduce. Let's go to this one. And let us check an example. Let us check and living things can move. Okay, let us check some example that living things can move. Okay, we have here human beings are living things. Okay, because human beings can move. Okay, can move, and human beings move using their legs. Okay, human beings can move using their legs. So human beings are living things. Now let's go to this one. Animals also are living things. Okay, animals use their legs to move. Okay? Animals use their legs to move. And now let's go to this one. Okay, snakes, crows. Also snakes are living things. Because snakes can crow. Snakes can move. Swim. Okay? Fish in the water. So also fish is living things because fish can move. Okay? Fish also is living things because fish, they have life and they can move and they can reproduce. Okay? And also living things, let us check an example about living things grow. Okay? Living things grow. Okay? Okay, so that's one. Okay, we have this one from baby. We are from baby, right? We are all from baby. And then we turn to a child. We become a child and then we become man. Okay, we are growing. Living things are growing. Okay, so living things can move, living things can grow, can reproduce, and living things needs food. So we are, as human beings, we are living things. Okay? We are living things. So let's go to some more example. So also, this one, this cow. Okay? The cow is from okay? From cow, and then it becomes a cow. Okay, so animals also are living things because animals are growing, okay, and they can reproduce, okay, and also animals need foods, okay, and also animals need food, so animals are living things because animals has life. And how about this one? This one also, the trees or the plants are living things. Okay, trees. The tree is from seed. Okay, we will start the seed, and the seed become a plant, and it will grow, and it become a tree. Okay? So trees are growing, and they are growing. Okay? Also, the tree needs food. Trees need water, right? So also trees are living things. Living things can breathe, can move, can reproduce, okay? And living things needs food. Next one is living things. Can you say? I want to hear from you. Living things. Okay, I just want to hear from you. You say living things. Okay. Okay, Papa, can you say living things? Papa, can you say living things. Living things. Oh. Okay. Living things. Okay. Okay. Because this is our topic for today. So we need to say it clear. And then I want to living things. Very good, Papa. I want to hear from you, Marine. Who's there? Marine? Marine? The internet is really slow. Okay? Marine? We stop again? Okay, Marine? Marine or Marine, can you see living things? Living things. Can you say it, Marine?
Yes.
Living things.
Living things.
Okay. How about by Bawa? Living things.
Living things.
Okay. How about Gypsy? Living things. Living things. Come on, Gypsy.
Living things.
Living things. And how about this? This one. Marine, who is this, Marine? This one? This one. What is your name? This I cannot. Huh? Oh, Kofan. Hi, Kofan. How are you, Kofan? Okay. First time I see you, I think. Okay, Kofan. Can you say it? Living things. I want to hear from you, Kofan. Living things. Living things. Okay? Okay, so if you can see it, if you can see that words, it means you can understand this topic, okay? Gypsy, can you say living things? Gypsy, living things. Living things.
Living things.
Okay. Okay, so we are talking about living things this time, okay? So living things, these are the things that I'm showing you here are living things, okay? Living things needs food, can breathe, okay? You know, can breathe and can reproduce, okay? And also can move. These are all living things. We as human beings, we are living things because we can breathe. And also we need food, okay? We can move. We can reproduce, okay? Just like this one, the trees can reproduce, okay? Okay, now let's go to our next example. Now let's go to living things that we can see in the water, okay? Living things needs food and water. Okay, just this one, okay? So also living things needs food and water. Okay, these are all the things that we are talking this time is about living things. So we need food and water. That's why we are living things. Why human beings are living things, trees are living things, animals are living things because we all need food and water. Okay? We all need food and water. Okay, look at this one. Also, human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Okay, we depend upon plants and animals for our food. This is our food for the human being. Okay, are the different kind of food for human being. Okay, we depend our foods upon plants and animals. So because we are eating, we need food and we need water. So we are human, we are living things. Because we can move. This one, you like that. We are living things. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next. For the water also, for plants also, plants are living things, okay? Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Okay, plants also are living things because also they need foods, okay? So they are making their own foods using water, air, and sunlight. So plants are living things, okay? Okay, living things can, let us check this one. Living things can breathe, okay? Also, living things can breathe. They can breathe like breath and breath out. This is breath, okay? You can breath in, breathe out. Okay, we can breathe. Okay, animals also are breathing. Are living things. Living things can breathe. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. Okay, we are breathing using our lungs. Okay, okay. So animals both are the same. So human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. Okay, we are breathing using their lungs. And animals also can breathe, okay? They're taking oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, they're doing this as cycle. Order breathing. Animals, okay? Animals also are living things. Because animals can breathe, okay? Okay, let us check this one. Living things can reproduce. Okay, living things can reproduce. Let us check an example. Living things can reproduce. Okay, so a woman gives birth to a baby. Look at this one. A woman gives birth to a baby like this. Okay, so mommy is the one is giving birth to you, right? So human being, woman, or your mommy are human are living things because they can reproduce. They can reproduce. Okay? They can reproduce. Okay? They are bringing you here. Your mommy, right? Only woman can reproduce. Okay? Mommy can reproduce. So mommy or is human, okay? Mommy is human being, so we are living things. Okay? So living things also can reproduce, and also animals. Look at these animals. A cat gives birth to a kitten. A cat gives birth to a kitten. So animals also can reproduce. Animals also can reproduce, just like human beings can reproduce. So this one is living things, okay? Living things. Okay, now birds, okay? Birds lays eggs, okay? Look at this one. Also the birds are animals, right? So animals, so also bird can reproduce, from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Okay, so animals, birds also can lay eggs. They are also living things. Okay, living things because they can move, they need food, they need water, they can reproduce, they can breathe. All of these are living things. Okay, how do we know if something is non-living things? how do we know if something is non-living things? Okay, how do we know? So let us check an example here to know what is non-living things. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, non-living things is non-living things can move, yes or no? Non-living things. No. So non-living things cannot move. Okay, so we'll put an X to that one. Okay, is non-living things can reproduce or can grow? Is non-living things can grow? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, very good. So non-living things cannot grow. Okay, non-living things cannot grow. How about reproduce? Is non-living things can reproduce? Yes or no? Can reproduce? Is non-living things can reproduce? Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? So non-living things cannot reproduce. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so. Okay, we are here now. Okay, let's continue again. Okay, so non-living things, no nutrients. Yeah. No nutrients. And also non-living things cannot. No. Non-living things. Is non-living things can breathe or cannot breathe?
No.
No. Okay, very good, Papa. Look at here. Look at here. Non-living things cannot breathe. So it is a no. They cannot breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Is non-living things can reproduce?
No. No.
Okay. Non-living things cannot reproduce. So this is also a no. And yes. Okay. Okay. Now let us check some example about living things. Let's look at an example of non-living things. Okay. Are you ready for non-living things? Let us check an example for non-living things. Can you say it, Papa? Non-living things.
Non-living things.
Okay, very good. How about Chepsy? Who's in there? Mary, can you say non-living things? Non-living things. Okay, very good. So we are now in non-living things, okay? So this one, we have here an example, microphone. Is microphone can move by itself?
Microphone. No.
No, right? So microphone cannot move. Microphone cannot move by itself. Is microphone has nutrients?
Microphoneต้องการ nutrient ไหม No.
No. Microphone no nutrients. No. And is microphone can reproduce?
No.
No. Also no. Also microphone can grow or yes or no? No. So also microphone cannot grow and microphone cannot breathe.
No.
Okay. Have you seen my microphone breathing? Have you seen microphone breathing? No. So microphone is living things or non-living things?
No.
Okay, microphone, living things or non-living things?
Non-living things.
No.
You have to answer none. Okay, very good, Papa. Non-living thing. Microphone is non-living thing. Okay? Microphone is non-living things. Let us go to this one. Let's try some more example of non-living things. Okay, how about table? How about table?
ก็ขยับ
อันนี้โต๊ะ
บรรยายได้ไหม
Table.
No.
No. And also table has nutrients, yes or no? No, cannot. No nutrients. And table cannot is non-living things. Okay, right? Yes. Okay. Table is okay. Look at this one. Living things or non-living things? Non-living things. Okay. Table is non-living things because table cannot grow, cannot breed, and cannot reproduce. Okay. And now let's go to check. I want to ask you this one. Is monkey living things or non-living things?
อันนี้ใหญ่โตอันนี้
Living things or non-living things? Monkeys can move, eats food, and can reproduce. Yes, very good. You are all very good. Living things, okay? Monkeys or animals are living things. And now let's go to this one. Okay, your pencil. Your pencils. Living things or non-living things?
No.
Your pencils are non-living things because they cannot move by itself. They don't need a food. They don't need water. So this one is non-living thing. Okay? Yes. And now let's go to another example. How about this one? We have here a teacher and you as a student. Are we living or not? Yes. Are living beings. Human beings are living things because we need food, we need water, we reproduce, okay? So we are living beings. Okay? And now let's go to this one. How about this one?
ไปไหนก็ได้ใช่ไหม
ลิงมีชีวิตอันนี้ไม่มีชีวิตโน
Non-living things because all of this cannot move by itself, don't need water, don't need food, cannot reproduce, okay? So this one, all of this are non-living things because all of this has no life, cannot breathe. Okay, so this one are non-living things. So
non-living.
Okay, so I hope you understand and you know already what is living and non-living things. Okay, so for the next week, I will give you a nice worksheet for this one. Okay, so you understand already what is living things and non-living things. Okay, you understand, T3? You know already living and non-living things.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are all very good and today I thank you for listening and for answering all the questions here. Thank you so much, K3. You are all very smart. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you in the afternoon for our math class. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hard sign. Okay. Thank you. See you in the afternoon.